instrumental in offering wider exposure to black musicians like James Brown, Aretha Franklin, and my husband, Michael Jackson, as well as showcasing unknown dancers like Rosie Perez, Nick Cannon, Jody Watley, MC Hammer, and even NFL legend Walter Payton. New dances, new styles, new rules, the hallmarks of Don's Soul Train. From 1990, Don brings us along to meet a new group, In Vogue. People all over the
Soul Train, television's longest-running music program and the hippest trip in America, with guest stars Tyler Collins, In Vogue, and the Soul Train dancers. And now, here's your host, Don Cornelius.
Hello and welcome aboard. You're right on time for another ride on the big train. We'll be coming right back to you with a couple of great ones from BBD, Belle Biv DeVoe, and the Good Girls, right after some very important messages.